Welcome back, guys. We're back to the inspection part on this transfer case. Don't worry about this case, never goes damaged. You don't have to inspect anything on this one. Okay, so it never gets damaged. This one, on the other hand, make sure you check the bearing right here for the apple shaft. It goes bad. Make sure you put the old bearing or new bearing, just to make sure that there's no play here where the bearing goes. Okay, and I'll show you how. Where is it at? Right here. I'll show you how to inspect this case. How do I check the case? Okay. If it goes under pressure, you can put it backwards just to check it. So I'm struggling to put it in. So this case is fine. If it wouldn't be good, you will be able to put the shaft right in without any struggle. Okay, so just check the bearing. And also, very important, guys, on this one, on this particular transfer case, if you have this type of bushing on this 4481 and it's damaged, forget about it. You're gonna have to get a new one because this bushing is not replaceable. And I have a tool to check it. I check it with the yoke. If you guys have a way to check it. See, this bushing is actually really good. It has no play, so I can still reuse this case absolutely. Okay, so this is how you check it. Bushing gets damaged, and the case board gets damaged right here where the bearing goes. Those two parts, that's it. Nothing else gets damaged. All right. Next, main shaft, input shaft. It doesn't get damaged from anywhere but the splines. Make sure the splines are healthy and you'll be good. These splines are very good, so we should be able to use this input shaft again, no problem. Now the apple shaft. Be careful with the apple shaft. This bearing is no good, definitely no good. You got to replace the bearing. We replace all the bearings anyways, but on this case, absolutely have to replace this bearing. And very important, a lot of people don't know about this bushing inside. See, this is how you check it with the input shaft. Look at how loose it is. See all this play on the apple shaft? I mean, this bushing is totally no good. Got to replace the bushing inside. There's a bushing inside here, inside the apple shaft, where the input shaft goes in. If it moves really bad, replace it. But this one, you don't have to inspect the snap ring, never goes bad. The input sensor never goes bad. The seals, you replace all the seals. You don't have to inspect the front apple shaft, never goes bad. The bearing, you know, I always replace them brand new, so I don't even inspect those bearings. But if you want to inspect the bearings, all you have to do is move it, and you can hear it. This bearing is totally not good. All right, so the chain, I always replace the chain. Always replace the chain. Always replace the chain. Always. Chain, not a question. Sprocket. This sprocket right here, guys, the bushing inside where the input shaft goes, it gets damaged. And this is how you check it. You put the input shaft, but it rises right here in the bushing and move it. Move it side to side. This one is actually pretty good. It's really good. It doesn't have no play. Very little. So you can actually still use this bushing. And as you can see, if I wipe it off and you look inside, look, the bushing is actually really good. Very good. I think I'm going to replace it anyways, but this bushing is really good. But it gets damaged from there. Always check it. You don't need to check this spacer. It never goes bad. You never need to inspect this sprocket, a driven sprocket. Never goes bad. All right, so what do we have left here? This is what goes bad. This is what gets damaged on this particular transfer case. So you check the input splines, the center splines, and the gears on this planet. You know, they get damaged a lot. So as you can see on this one, look at how they move. So this planet is totally no good. It needs to be replaced. So check the gears, make sure they don't have play, and make sure they're not pitted. If for some reason they're still good, they don't move like this one, make sure they're not pitted. Make sure you check it this way, and make sure you flip it over and check the other side. So this one is not pitted, but it's very loose. All right, so check the planet, inspect the planet, inspect the bottom gear. This gear is actually pretty good. I'll probably still be able to reuse it again. I will have to double check, but this one looks really good. But look at this one, guys. This is what the problem was on this transfer case. Look at the bottom of this gear. It's totally broken. It's totally chewed out by the planet gear. It's a very weak gear on this transfer case. It broke completely. So that's all you have to check on this 4481. Check the bushing, sprocket bushing, the planet, the splines and the main shaft. And of course the gears, make sure these two gears are okay. Not like this one, okay? Don't reuse this one again. And always replace it. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And any comments, let me know. Okay? Thank you.